Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix unable to open Google link problem. Now, of course, the very first thing that you want to do is make sure that the link that you're trying to pull up or to access is valid. Now, double check if the link has, extra characters that does not need to be there. Just have to simply erase it and try to re-access the link again. Now, the other option that you can do is open up your Google application or your browser and head straight to the three dots at the top right portion. Head straight to Settings, and here go to Privacy and Security and hit on Delete Browsing Data. Make sure that these boxes or options here are all ticked and hit on Delete Data. Now, before clicking on Delete Data, ensure that all of the login credentials that you have from this browser are already memorized, or take down notes, because once you hit on this option here, you will be automatically logged out of all the websites that you have visited that need your credentials to log in. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to fix the unable to open Google link problem. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.